Today we're going to be making a nutty fruit and coconut cream bowl. All you're going to need is a selection of chopped up fruit. I would recommend using berries as they pair very well with cream. But besides that, we have some white and pink dragon fruit here, pomegranate, tastes very good, strawberries, chopped up grapes, and blackberries and blueberries. Then we need some nuts. I've used almonds, macadamia, and cashew nuts, and all I did was saute it in a pan in a little bit of coconut oil and cinnamon and maple syrup, just to brown and to sweeten slightly, because we are making a dessert. And then you're going to need coconut cream, 1 can, some maple syrup and vanilla essence. Your first step before you get to making the coconut cream would be to place it in the refrigerator overnight. This will harden the coconut cream and make it ready for whipping the next day. Okay, all I've done is placed a can of the coconut cream into the mixing bowl, and to that I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon, and maple syrup for sweetening. You're not going to make this too sweet because the fruit and nuts are already quite sweet. You can also use normal sugar if you'd like, or coconut sugar would be a better option, but maple syrup is probably your best option. About a tablespoon, and then you're going to mix it on maximum speed for 3 minutes. Once your coconut cream mixture is ready, all you're going to do is compile it together in a nice way with the fresh fruit and mixed nuts. This is the end product. All I've done is layered the fruit with a couple nuts and a dollop of coconut cream over, and then drizzled over the berries and a few more nuts.